Got the free end. Yeah, I've got now. Yeah. So at the back, we're gonna. Yeah. Keep it on that. Keep it on that. Straight that there. So this car's been at the trim shop for a couple months now. Finally got it back. Looks good inside.
Why is the steering wheel off at the minute?
Just for ease of getting in and out of it,
yeah.
Really. Stops it getting damaged. We've done a lot of work, sort of, well, the steering wheel, we refurbished it, so. Yeah, this means you can actually get in and out of it to work on. It's obviously all complete now, but so much research has gone into getting everything exactly how it should be, and yeah, even to the point of the brake pipes. So they would have had steel brake pipes from factory, but obviously steel brake pipes have got a load of problems, like they rust and unreliable, whatever, harder to make. So we've used copper brake pipes and got them plated BZP, so they actually look like they're steel. So yeah, so all in the detail.
Devil's in the detail.
Just moving on to the final jobs to get it finished, really. We've got it entered into... can you hear that noise on?
I can, but yeah, I mean, apart from them being
they've gone.
noisy...
Quite quick, they've gone.
Noisy bunch.
We've got it entered into the concourse at Salon Privé, which is on towards the end of August, 26th, I believe. I might be wrong. So yeah, we've got a big final push to get it done before then. So yeah, ticking off some of the bigger jobs, such as getting the bonnet aligned. That's what I'm on right now. Had a bit of a worry that we were going to struggle because obviously the bonnet was matched to the body when the car was on a dolly and had no engine in it. So obviously now it's got an engine in it and it's loaded on the wheels. I was a bit worried that it was going to be a pain to line up, but it's not been too bad, which is a massive relief. I'm just fitting the umbrella pulls, the catches. Yeah.
Anytime, mate.
Can't find the hole.
Yeah. There she goes.
Right, so, and then that, I've ordered some little clips, and then that basically goes through. Getting these all lined up, moving them around, get it perfect.
So is this, these bits then what are the guide for the gaps? Or is this just locking it down?
There's a lot of adjustments. So at the bottom, if you look down here, there's the hinges and they're shimmed, but they were designed in a way that, well, it makes it basically incredibly difficult. The bolts are like too close to each other, so you can't it's really hard to undo because they touch basically. So it's a bit of a challenge to shim it, but yeah, we got it done right. So yeah, if you shim it unevenly, it sort of changes the angle of the bonnet. But yeah, so basically it has the pins here, which they're the locators. So that pin goes in.
Okay.
Pin goes in the hole, and then hook goes around there, and pulls it down. Give that a shot. I'm happy with that, to be fair. That's pretty perfect. It's a little bit out at the bottom.
Yeah, that looks pretty
Yeah.
pretty good to me. But like when you adjust that side, it'll probably tweak it again slightly, won't it?
Yeah, well, the other side's not latched down, but to be honest with you, I think I want to take out another shim. These aren't actually the original shims. We got these because they slide in from the back.
Yeah.
Far easier. The original ones go in differently. It's like a way bigger task to take one out and put one back in. It's a lot more of a challenge. So.
Well, that's why you volunteered to take one out.
Yeah, because it's a doddle. Walk in the park.
So one shim out.
Yeah, that's quite a small shim as well.
Moment of truth.
Still clears. Yeah, looks better. I think it's now, it's like...
Locked in place.
I think it still needs to go that way a touch, but...
Still not happy, mate. He's not happy. Just slightly wider at the bottom.
Yeah. Thing is, I'm comparing it to the door, so like I want it to be exactly the same as the door.
And so you've got some adjustment there, didn't you?
Yeah, there's a lot of adjustment, so it is quite nice.
But you guys are pleased with the gapping on it?
Yeah, so obviously this car had a lot of metal work to get it all lined up perfect, and it's, yeah, so worth it. Yeah,
Cool.
Quite a few little bits left, but it's all sort of towards the end, all the little niggly bits. And
would you be hoping to place at this show?
at the concourse, yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not too knowledgeable about concourse events, but yeah.
See, it's the E-Type Jag.
Yeah.